My name is Jillian. I am the finished goods manager at Glass Meadows, Inc. in Newton, New Jersey. We put seeds in the ground in September of 2024. I came on with the company before we had anything really established in terms of teams for manufacturing. There were just the 4 of us on the manufacturing end, and I have seen it grow from 16 employees to now 70 plus employees. What we manufacture here is pre-rolls and cones for our budget brand, which is expanding. We're going to be adding infused to that line. We have concentrate filling where we fill out resin or rosin, in addition to vape filling and flour pack where we pack out flour. And then we have the kitchen where we use melt-to-make to produce all of our gummies. 2 of our gummy brands that we're currently working with would be Glass Meadows brand and then the Rosin King brand, which is our gummies that are made with rosin. So they're a little bit of a higher price point and they're delicious.
My name is Andre Spida. I'm the kitchen lead here at Glass Meadows. I do the cooking, the depositing, basically any step in the gummy process I've had my hand in. I started a month or 2 after the first seed went into the ground. From there, I watched the company grow, and we opened our kitchen up around January once we actually had some product that we could harvest and process. But our first round of flour was immaculate, which then gave us our amazing oil, which then transitioned to our tremendous edibles. With melt-to-make, everything's consistent, everything's pre-mixed ahead of time. It takes out the worry of actually having to weigh out the ingredients and makes it more of a stable product in the finished result. In the kitchen, we do sugar-free, one of which is a 1-to-1 CBD blend, and one is a 4-to-1 THC to CBN blend. We also do the same flavors in regular pectin, and also we do a rosin line, and we incorporate fruit purees in them, which give them a completely unique taste and texture. We're trying to show that you don't have to be an MSO to create amazing products. You don't need all the bells and whistles. You can do it with just a greenhouse, natural sunlight, and a good starting consistent product. We stand by our name, we stand by our product.